a piece of plywood to the ceiling. I have been taking some measurements now, so I'll remove it now. Let's see. This is where the ceiling beam goes. Now I have to measure where these lights are coming and transfer that to the ceiling panel. So this will be the center line. I covered the ceiling before with all this HVAC tape and had to remove part of it. So I really found out how sticky it is. But these are places that I'll be putting some dual lock adhesive strip on from 3M. And that's just a heavier Velcro, let me say it that way. It has to be glued on here and the other part on the wood. But I'll clean these areas first. And use some rubbing alcohol for it, because that really has to be clean. I've got these lights installed in the ceiling, the van, and I have to drill holes to fit them into the ceiling panel. So that's next. I've got a hole saw, however that is too small, but I'll hopefully be able to do something about that. Okay. That's one. I wanted to widen this hole with a router bit and a jig, but I don't have router bits that of this size, so I'll have to revert to my jigsaw. I have to be careful and anticipate that there's some cloth coming over here, so it has to be a little bit wider than needed. I have a little bit of thinned polyurethane, which I'll apply to, this is the top of the ceiling. So that's not covered, but I want to protect it a little bit. Okay, now the important part. The ceiling panel will be supported on the edges, and that'll probably the main support, but I need some support here at the top as well. So what I decided to do is use some 3M dual lock, which is a sort of Velcro, but with one type of hook, and it fits will fit together, so you can push that together, and it's supposed to give a real good adhesion, and still when you open it from the sides you still can open it up again. What I'm gonna do now is I got these patches where I want to apply it to on two ceiling members. So I'm going to clean those and then apply the tape. So the first thing is what I'm going to do is give these spots a final cleaning with some alcohol. I have both my cameras locked in, but let me just show you this. That's where my friend is, and he's always with me, and he's always so quiet. Hey Joey? Yeah? Say hello. Whoa. Whoa. This is where I start. I'll be putting two strips next to each other. Okay. Okay. And now they suggest to go over it with a roller. So that works, I'm sure. Well, there's my friend watching over me, and this morning I'm gonna work on my cover of the ceiling panel with some tweed, and I hope that works out well, but we'll see. I'm gonna do this in stages. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.